The interesting thing about what happened with the Twitter leak, I mean, one is on the kind of IR website vendor side of things, and looking for and making sure you have all of the kind of I's dotted and T's crossed from a security standpoint in terms of document security and workflow and compliance in terms of how your information is being handled by your vendor. So I think that's something that's really kind of table stakes in this market. And I think when we look at the number of instances where these things happen is very, very low. But what is really quite amazing about what happened with Twitter is the speed at which the market works today. So the amount of time that document, so there was a manual process error that happened, that document got posted, and that document was only online literally for seconds. And within those seconds, there's a bot that was able to read and see that document had been posted to the site, even in error, download that, parse it, put it into a series of tweets, and put that out onto Twitter. And within a second of the first tweet hitting Twitter saying that Twitter had missed, I know there's Twitter and Twitter, but it's within seconds of the tweet being posted talking about Twitter, the companies had missed their earnings, selling had started. So it's bots reading content, bots executing and parsing that data, and then a bot trading on it all within a matter of seconds is something which I think is really, really important for IROs to understand the prevalence and the integration that Twitter now has with the trading ecosystem. And I think that's something that's really important when people look at social media and they question, should we be a part of social media or not, or we don't really have control. One of the things that's really important is that these algorithmic trading engines that are trading on rumors that are happening on Twitter, they're also looking at what is the company saying. I mean, that's what I talk about more, is less about the actual issue of the error happening and more about the incredible speed that the market exists with today. So the partnership with Oxford is, we're quite excited about it. It's all part of our expansion into, really into the intelligence side of the business, which is part of our kind of expansion strategy when we're looking at how do we utilize our technology and our platform and our method of creating products and providing more value to our clients in terms of how they can be running their IR programs. So the guys at Oxford are all very senior, notably some of the best surveillance analysts in the market. Other founding members of Oxford come from the options trading side of things. So they bring a great deal of intelligence, kind of options intelligence and predictive analytics into the market. So we're really excited to leverage and work with these predictive data sets combined with surveillance and deliver that all through our new Q4 Touch platform, which is an app that we released that is now freely available for anyone to download. But Oxford is part of some of the data partners that we have, where we're able to provide premium data and analytics on top of this free app. So I'm really excited about working with Oxford, and we think we can do some very interesting and very valuable things to the market with them.